This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please consult a doctor before starting any new health routine.
Remember that weight loss is not just physical, but also mental. Stay motivated and patient. By combining balanced nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, sustainable. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss because water helps control hunger and supports metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to keep your body functioning optimally. Including more fiber in your diet can help you feel full longer and reduce overeating. Foods rich in fiber include oats, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Exercise plays a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. Incorporate both cardio and strength training into your weekly routine. Cardio exercises help burn calories, while strength training builds lean muscle and boosts metabolism. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise every week. Sleep is another vital factor that affects weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to support metabolism and hormone balance. Avoid skipping meals, as this can slow metabolism and lead to overeating later. Eat smaller, balanced meals throughout the day to maintain energy and control hunger. Mindful eating helps you tune in to hunger cues and prevents overeating. Take time to chew food properly and avoid distractions like phones or TV during meals. Incorporate healthy fats in moderation to support overall health and satiety. Healthy fats can be found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Avoid processed and sugary foods as they can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar spikes. Replace sugary snacks with fruits, vegetables, or healthy homemade alternatives. Tracking your food intake can help identify patterns and areas for improvement. Use a journal, app, or photo log to monitor meals and portion sizes accurately.
Take pride in every healthy decision you make, no matter how small it may seem. Your body responds to consistency, not overnight changes. Focus on progress, not perfection, and keep moving forward. There will be days when motivation feels low, but discipline will carry you through. Remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Choose habits that you can maintain for life, not just for a short period. Nourish your body with good food, movement, and positive thoughts. Weight loss is a reflection of self-respect and self-care. Trust yourself and stay committed to your goals. Your healthier future begins with the choices you make today.